friend, it's your girl Auyo again from Neptune Prime and Auyo's Cuisines. Like always, I'm here with tantalizing Auyo-licious recipes that keep your taste buds asking for more. Our today's recipe is chicken curry sauce. The ingredients needed for this sauce are chicken breast, vegetable oil, curry, ginger, garlic, thyme, chicken seasoning, bay leaf, clove, black pepper, bell peppers, carrots, and salt. Procedure. The procedure is to cut the chicken into long stripes and add seasoning and spices, then marinate for at least an hour. Transfer the chicken into a saucepan with little oil and stir fry on low heat till the chicken turns white. Cut the vegetables in long stripes too. Transfer in a saucepan, add little oil, seasoning and spices, and then stir fry for about 3 minutes on a low heat. Pour a cup or two of water depending on the amount of meat. Add the chicken, close the pan and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes on a low heat. Serve with any dish of your choice. I serve mine with coconut fried rice, which is our previous video. Please try our recipes and send us feedback. Bye bye.